Hello everyone and welcome to break 4325 for the 2020-21 the Rookies Graded Basketball Edition card box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, February 8th, 2021. It's 10:19 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:19 p.m. Central Time, and 7:19 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have BLF with 3 spots. Bengal Boy 1, Ed 1, ER 1, Fern with 1, Woolsey 2, R Cerrucci 3, Joe 6, JBid 1, Everyday 2, Kirk with 3, Wall 2, BD 2, CL 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. BLF on top, CL on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Ed on top, Kirk on the bottom. Ed, you have the Hawks, Bengal Boy Celtics, BLF Nets, R Cerrucci with the Hornets, Kirk Bulls, Woolsey Cavaliers, BD with the Mavericks, Wall Nuggets, Fern with the Pistons, Jose with the Warriors, CL Rockets Pacers, Wool Clippers, Everyday Lakers Grizzlies, Joe's Heat, BLF Bucks Timberwolves, R Cerrucci with the Pelicans Knicks, Wall Thunder, Kirk with the Magic, Joe's 76ers, ER Suns, BD with the Trailblazers, JBid Kings, Joe Spurs, Raptors, Jazz, and last but not least, Kirk with the Washington Wizards. All right, good luck, everybody. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seal it on both sides. There's that. Here's that. Okay. And who wants the Rookies? Luka Doncic, Dallas Mavericks. The Rookies Fast Break Gem Mint 9.5 Hollow. Luka. Very nice. Dallas Mavericks. Congrats on the Luka rookie. Very cool for the Dallas Mavericks. BD Sturgis. Congrats on break 4325. And the 2021 the Rookies Graded Basketball Edition card box. And 4325 is a Luka. So thank you all for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet. And up next is 4326 for the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition card box. Thanks.